Okay, so welcome to the final video of the Module 1, You to Ya. Congratulations, you almost finished your first module. In this module, we're going to talk about two essential verbs, to give and to send, and about how to use it exactly with you. Let's go. Now, a really essential part about to send and to give is that sometimes we use it with the word to, like in the examples here. So we have to send you an email and to send an email to you. Pause the video and what's the difference here? Why one say here? Can you see the difference? Well, the difference is about an email, the object, what we are talking about. Where is it in the sentence? With the first example of to send you, it's after the verb and after you. It's send you an email. And 80% because it's much more common in native speakers to speak like this, to send you an email. It is possible to say to send an email to you because an email is between send and you. Send an email to you, which is 20%, which is much less common. Possible, but less common. Same idea here with to give, the verb to give. To give you the keys, because the keys is at the end, and give the keys to you. So give you the keys, much more common. To give the keys to you is 20%. Now, to be completely clear, let's look again at the examples. So, to send you an email, the object, is at the end of the sentence. And send and you are connected to send you an email. Here, if the position of an email changes in the sentence, to send an email to you. So to in front of the person you, the object is after the verb, to send you, okay? With the verb to give, it's the same idea. To give you the keys, the object is at the end of the sentence, or it's after the you. And the give and you are connected, to give you the keys. If we change the position of the keys in the sentence, what happens? To give the keys to you. To in front of the person you. So this is the basic difference. To give you the keys, to send you the email, send you an email, are much more common, but when we have the change of the position, to in front of the you is possible, but not so common, okay? Now, when we have here the big four, I want, I need, I would like, I'm going, to, send you, give you, right? Same idea of you to ya, get there. So I want to send ya. I want to give ya. So listen and repeat. I want to send ya. I need to give ya. I would like to give ya, okay? These are the important sounds. Send ya and give ya. Okay, so let's practice. Can I give you the money next week? Can I give you? Can I give you the money next week? So, can I give you? Can I give you? Can I give you the money next week? Can I give you the money next week? Can they send you the files next week? Can they send you? Can they send you the files next week? And can they send you? Can they send you? Can they send you the files next week? So when you have the word the very quickly, it sounds like a duh. Can they send you the files next week? Can they send you the files next week? So it's very, very fast. The to duh. Can they send you the files next week? She can give you more time if you need it. She can give you. She can give you more time if you need it. She can give you more time if you need it. She can give you. She can give you more time if you need it. If you need it. She can give you more time if you need it. I need more time to be able to send you everything. I need more time to be able to send you everything. So what happens to be able? I need more time to be able to. So to be able to be able to send you everything. I need more time to be able to send you everything. Okay? To be able to send you everything. He can give you the photos later today if they are ready. He can give you the photos later today if they're ready. So they are there. He can give you the photos later today if they're ready. He can give you the photos later today if they're ready. If they're ready. He can give you the photos later today if they're ready. We need to send you the documents tomorrow because they are not ready today. We need to send you the documents tomorrow because they are not ready today. So a little faster. We need to send you. We need to send you. We need to send you. We need to send you the documents tomorrow because they're not ready today. Okay? We need to send you the documents tomorrow because they're not ready today. So this brings us to the end of Module 1, you to ya. Join me in Module 2 to learn about want to wanna.